channel took over the game. Never can get this channel popping, y'all. You watch this shit. Watch. Gonna get this channel popping, y'all. No care what. Watch this shit. Y'all ready? You better get ready, y'all. We gonna drop this shit. Yeah, we gonna drop this shit like hot dogs, y'all. So get ready, y'all. We're gonna do the next best live popping, just like Cook on Love popping. Watch this, y'all. We're gonna get this one popping. So get ready. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. We ain't playing no games, y'all. You hear me? No cap. I'm trying to tell y'all, we're gonna stay popping. Y'all already know how I was on that one. I'm gonna bring it back. You hear me? So anybody want to subscribe to this channel, y'all? I want me to subscribe to their channel. Drop your comment. Drop your emoji. Pop out, rock out, man. We ain't playing no games, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all, man. We ain't playing no games. You hear me? We the best. We the best. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Come on, y'all represent, man. We chilling, we just chilling. Yeah, we just chilling. Yeah, chilling. Y'all pop out. Hey, hey. You been up there and say, anybody want to represent their channel, y'all pop out. Yeah, drop their video, y'all. Watch this shit. I'm gonna drop these videos like crazy, y'all. So get ready, y'all. Get ready. Get ready. I'm gonna take a food. No cap, y'all. So all my brothers already know who it is. Pop out, rock out, represent y'all channel. We're gonna be the best, y'all. Really? No cap, y'all. Please be safe, everybody. Please be safe. Really. Stay locked and loaded and say, treat yourself, don't beat yourself. You hear me? I also say, come to the best live, no cap. You hear me? And let's laugh at these haters and say, we the best, y'all, no cap. You hear me? Out? We the best. So check this shit out, y'all. You check it out and stay ready, y'all. Cause we ain't gonna play no games. So say y'all, tune in tune, put your notification gang on. So say this gonna be the next channel popping in your face. You hear me? Okay, watch. Now see how Cooking Love going. You hear me? That channel already set it off. So I'm letting that channel just gonna do what it do. You hear me out? I ain't gotta do nothing. All my bros, I told y'all this gonna be the next live and popular. You hear me? So yeah, y'all. All my bros, get ready. We're gonna get this channel lit. You hear me? With some new subscribers. So y'all get ready, y'all. You hear me? My main bros already gonna pop out. We're gonna have this lit, y'all. No cap. So get ready, everybody. Come on over. You hear me? Yeah. Y'all saw how I cook on little popper. I'm gonna get this one popping. So stay tuned. Stay ready. We gonna take over again. You hear me? We're gonna run this channel up. Then we're gonna run my other channel up, y'all. So yeah, get ready. You hear me? Get ready, y'all. We're gonna love this other. No cap. You hear me? No cap, y'all. Keep up the good work. You hear me? Keep it up, y'all. Stay tuned. Stay in tune. No cap. Stay in tune. Drop that shit. How them motherfuckers mad. You hear me out? Stay tuned. Stay popping. Non stopping. You already know we got this. We got this. You heard me? We ain't playing no games with it. You hear me? We gonna stay popping, y'all. So say y'all, come on out. Come on out. Pop out. Pop out. We the best. No cap. So all my bros, y'all, let them know. We gonna set it off on this channel, y'all. You hear me? So this where I'm at, y'all. You hear me? Yeah, Cook on Love and set it off already. You hear me? That channel been setting it off. So right now, I'm gonna wake up my other two channels, y'all. So yeah, get ready, y'all. Stay tuned. Stay popping. Cause I'm gonna have all my channels doing stupid numbers. You know? I got a bag on a lot of these rappers. Come on, y'all, pop out, man. Represent y'all channel. Represent. Man, we gonna be good, man. Wasting y'all time. Say y'all. We the best. Whatever channel I'm on. You hear me? So get ready. Hey. Hey. Hey, let's go, y'all. Hey.